When drones attack, skateboarding edition. Oh! Oh! Hey! Whoa! Come on, Dan, get up in here.
Get over here, Dan, get over here.
So much fun. Hey you guys, we're here today with special guest, Zexy Zek. Hello. The epic professional skate gamer.
That's a pretty good title.
Is that accurate?
It's on my resume. Yeah.
And Carlos is here with his Carlos-sized guitar to provide comedic relief.
Hopefully I can.
And he has a top secret item in which I also have in this special box.
What is it?
It is the SEMA X100 4CH pressure fixed position hovering drone. So we're gonna go ahead and open this thing up, which has a magnetic box. And right up top, which you've already seen because Carlos is spoiling it.
It's on display. You gave it to me.
So right here, you take this out. Inside, they have all the special cords. They have the battery, the propeller, the instructions, and also the remote. And then right here, we have 4 propellers with some very nice propeller protection.
I like the color.
I do like the color. It's like a nice dark chrome. And then right here, you open this little thing up and out comes the battery, which you just plug in right here and then you can go ahead and close it back up and now it's safe.
Battery.
The point of this video is Nigel Ryan Jones.
Do you know what you're doing?
I do. I don't know if these guys do. So let's go ahead and turn this on.
Oh, no problems. Bet you got one.
The power button is right here. You press that, turn it on. Whoa! Whoa! Dude! Wow. They sound so cute. Hey, Carlos, wake up, brother. Drones are the future. The point of this video is when drones attack, skateboarding edition. Uzi, Carlos, all you guys start skating. Nigel, Zexy, and I guess me. Zexy needs a drone. And we're gonna start. Yeah.
It's the camera. Oh.
All right, Rochambeau, guys.
Land it on your head, dude.
Land it on my head? I got you. First try? It felt so sick.
Rochambeau.
1, 2, 3.
I go first.
Great. I'm last.
Wait. Put it on your head and close your eyes. Troy, I'm gonna film for you. So you can take the drone, or Brenna, if you'd like to take the drone. Sure. And Zexy, no regrets. You just full send it. Just hit him right in the nuts.
Okay, I can do that.
Great.
Can I just go right now? All right, I'm going.
Hey, the point is to get these guys, not the skate park. Hit you right in the face. Oh, obstacle avoidance. Shove it. Whoa, hey.
Keep an eye on that thing.
Whoa! Zexy's on me. He's trying to get me, man. Ah! Oh. Ah, you messed up a 180! Wow. Oh. Nice. Oh! Woo! Who's trying to get me? Ah! It's literally just as hard for me to film this video as it is for you guys to skate. Wow. Nice. Nice. I'm watching you. Whoa! Oh no!
That hurt worse than the drone.
I'm so sorry. Oh, I'll give you a rebate. All right, Dan. Intimidation tactic. Hey! Whoa! I'll give it. Wow! You're officially in Uzi's head. Dude, they are so cute. Carlos! Get out of here, T-Bop! Oh! Hey, hold up. You interfere with the drones intentionally, that is a letter. All right, fine, that's a warning.
Really? Ow. All right.
Whoa! Yo, one more try, Dan.
Well, later.
Okay.
I'm used to laser flips. Ah.
What the heck?
Holy!
What's going on, dude?
I popped in the crack.
These guys are really throwing down hammers, but not really hitting the nails.
I'm not gonna think anymore.
You hit me right in the, like, not the hard part, the soft muscle.
I'm sorry.
Never tried this.
Yeah, you should do that.
Taking this back to 2004 right here.
Why can't I do this trick today?
Count it! Your offense game is struggling, my friend. What? Whoa. You were so nonchalant about that, I honestly thought that you landed that. I'll allow it. Hope you're awake, Troy.
I landed it.
Oh my god.
Whoa! That trick makes no sense. Oh, you can do that.
I haven't done that one in a while, dude.
The winner of the When Drones Attack game of Stupid Skate is Carlos Lastra. Carlos has a fractured hand, but we have the drones still, so I think we should just embark in some drone activities.
Drone it up.
You want to know what it feels like, Troy?
Yeah,
To be attacked by a drone?
I would love to.
Ah!
Oh, my arm!
Hippie jumping, Carlos?
Oh, you cut off my heart. Can we try?
You want some more, Troy?
Land it.
Oh! Dude, these things are sick, Troy.
It feels really cool. It's like a fan.
I just got so dizzy right there.
It'll actually like.
Ah! There's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, and leave a You go ahead and click right there for more videos just like this one. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you guys should learn how to skateboard. We'll see you next time.